Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter settings. Now, go to password and security and tap on screen lock. Here we've got three types of screen lock: pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's select pattern. Now, pin. And password. Let me select pattern again. And now let's set fingerprint. Our fingerprint sensor is on the right side of the phone, right here. Now that we've got a pattern and fingerprint, we can set face unlock. Scan your face so it will look like in the picture. Unfortunately, I can't do it right now because this phone can't load camera. But basically you just scan your face, accept, and use it to unlock the phone. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.